Hey, you. I'm talking to you!
I think it's time to have a little fun.
Rosalie! I wasn't expecting you until the 24th, and today is the 24th.
People, please. A little respect for our protector, huh? Okay, sure. Maybe he's a big chicken, and maybe his muscles are teeny tiny, teensy tiny.
We have ruled that you shall be punished for your sins. To the lake of fire.
I've got to check with my babysitter first. Whoa, this is better than Space Cap.
Alfred, I'll be needing the car tonight. No, the other car.
Your gloominess, your bleakness, I've got something for you. It's the all-seeing eye, you hideousness.
I just came by to tell you to stay out of the Brotherhood's way in what's to come.
Are you there? Good. We have a doozy on our clean hands today.
He's created a monster!
Impressive. I knew about advances in unmanned weaponry, but this is incredible.
I guess I wouldn't mind picking a fight for a change.
You are the most beautiful creature I have ever seen!
This had better be of biblical importance.
Why would a real man get beaten like a little boy?
In the name of my mother, Maria Conchita Lolita Consuela Hamburguesa Martinez Boots, I hereby pledge my life to you.
Humans, this is Atlas Omega of the Tribunal Galactic Bank.
Tell your son to stop that.